In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Claude explain at an expert level. We're going to adjust a single preference inside Claude so that going forward, it gives deeper insights and more advanced explanations by default. This takes less than a minute and works the same whether you're using Claude in a browser or the desktop app. Start by opening Claude. On the main screen, look to the left sidebar and scroll all the way down to the bottom left. You'll see your profile and current plan displayed there. Click that area to open a small menu. From the drop-down, choose Settings. This opens the Settings panel, which appears with a sidebar on the left. In that sidebar, click General to view the core app preferences. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Preferences. Here, you'll find a field titled, "What personal preferences should Claude consider in responses?" This is the key. It's essentially a standing instruction that Claude will keep in mind across your conversations, so it's the perfect place to set an expert explanation style. Click inside the text box to start editing. Then type a clear instruction that tells Claude exactly how you want it to explain topics. For example, you could write, "Please explain topics at an expert level. Prioritize depth, advanced context, and precise reasoning. Use clear structure, define specialized terms when needed, and provide nuance without oversimplifying." You can customize the wording to fit your needs, but keep it specific and positive. Avoid mixing conflicting directions, like asking for both extreme brevity and exhaustive detail at the same time. When you're done, click anywhere outside the text box. There's no separate save button here. Clicking away automatically saves the preference. If you ever want to refine your instruction, just come back to the same field and update the text. Claude will use the newest version going forward. A couple of quick tips to get the most out of this setting. Be explicit about the level of depth you expect. Mention whether you want step-by-step reasoning or high-level synthesis. And note any style preferences, like concise summaries at the end or references to advanced concepts where helpful. You can also ask for clarity alongside expertise, so the response stays accessible while still being rigorous. That's it. By setting this one preference, you guide Claude to consistently deliver expert-level explanations with richer insight and stronger technical framing without having to repeat yourself in every prompt. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded, expert-ready Claude experience.